The highest paying jobs in Canada based on education level. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. If you are new here, then please subscribe our channel and click the bell button for our upcoming videos. Finding a job in your field in Canada can be challenging. As a newcomer to Canada, it is important to utilize tools and resources to make finding your dream job as easy as possible. The Government of Canada website offers a job bank that lists employment opportunities across Canada. Within the job bank, there is a career planning page that helps plan your transition from school to work, listing the highest paying jobs in Canada based on education level. This video will outline some of these jobs and provide the steps to take to find a job in Canada. Highest paying jobs for diploma holders. Canadian universities offer wide-ranging diploma courses in various fields. These courses provide students with essential knowledge in a field of interest that are usually for a shorter duration than a bachelor's or master's degree. Generally, a high school education is required to apply for a diploma. Some of the prominent diploma fields include engineering, information technology, and hospitality management. According to the Government of Canada website, the highest paying jobs for a diploma holder are 1. Stationary energy sources installer and operator. Median earnings of $128,310. 2. Heavy industrial equipment maintenance technologies. Median earnings of $74,248. 3. Allied health diagnostic, intervention and treatment professions. Median earnings of $69,163. 4. Electrical engineering technologies, technicians. Median earnings of $68,748. Highest paying jobs for bachelor's degree holders. Canada offers more than 10,000 degree programs at over 100 universities. Common bachelor's degrees in Canada include a Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Science, or a Bachelor of Engineering. Depending on the program requirements, it can take 3 to 4 years of full-time study to earn a bachelor's degree in Canada. The Government of Canada lists the following highest paying jobs for bachelor degree holders. 1. Pharmacy and pharmaceutical sciences. Median earnings of $109,645. 2. Chemical engineering and related studies. Median earnings of $91,278. 3. Other engineering related fields. Median earnings of $80,003. 4. Nursing. Median earnings of $79,896. Highest paying jobs for master's degree holders. In almost every field of academic study, Canadian universities offer graduate degree programs. Master's degrees usually require 1 to 2 years of study after completing your bachelor's degree. In Canada, your master's studies can include a thesis, practicum, research paper, or a course-based program. The Government of Canada lists the highest paying jobs for master's degree holders as the following. 1. Finance and financial management services. Median earnings of $106,578. 2. Pharmacy and pharmaceutical sciences. Median earnings of $103,059. 3. Accounting. Median earnings of $102,610. 4. Business and commerce and administrations. $100,022. Steps to finding a job in Canada. The first step to finding a job is to do research. It is important to learn how you can get a job that will complement your career goals. This includes identifying your passions, finding individuals and organizations to network with, and identifying employers you wish to work for. Second, you should tailor your resume to the Canadian market to be successful. It is important to make sure you have your resume in the Canadian format and highlight your relevant work and study experiences. Some things you should do on your resume. 1. Use just one font throughout your resume. 2. Convert your academic grades to the Canadian equivalent. 3. Include volunteer work. 4. Use keywords that are relevant to the job you are applying for. 5. If applicable, add certification and licensing. 6. If applicable, add your foreign language proficiency. 7. Include your contact information at the top, with a Canadian phone number. It is also common to attach a cover letter alongside your resume when applying for a job, which is a short description of why you are a good fit for the position you are applying for. Once you are ready to start applying for jobs, there are many resources available to view job listing in Canada beyond the Canadian government's job bank. Some job websites include 1. Indeed. 2. monster.ca. 3. ZipRecruiter. 4. Glassdoor.ca. 5. aluta.ca. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this, then please subscribe our channel and share this video.